This machine tool is a deep hole processing machine tool, which can complete deep hole drilling, boring, rolling, and trepanning. This machine tool is widely used in deep hole parts processing, in military industry, nuclear power, petroleum machinery, engineering machinery, water conservancy machinery, centrifugal casting pipe molds, coal mining machinery, and other industries, such as trepanning and boring processing of high-pressure boiler tubes, etc. According to the characteristics of trepanning processing, this machine tool is designed and manufactured with related parts, equipped with special toolbars, tools, and special trepanning parts, making this machine tool more suitable for deep hole trepanning processing.